everyone. Um, in this video, I'm going to teach us how to complete the Pudgy Penguin fraction mission by connecting our wallet that has the Pudgy Penguin assets on the MetaverseHQ Discord. So I'm already on their Discord, so I'll have to join. You go to get rules. Before, it used to be Collab Land, but what they have now is Matrika. So you click manage wallets to see available wallets. No wallets found. So you visit Matrika, you visit site, so we are going to connect wallet. So Phantom, Solana, connect. I've connected. I signed the message. So confirm. You can put a public name later. You can leave it as you may. Then you connect your Discord to it. Let's go to profile. No apps connected. So let's link our Discord. I did this with a new account so that we will observe everything that is being done, right? So you just follow the steps and you get it right. So the Discord authentication is coming. Authorized. It's connected. So we just have to go back here and click on server rules. While it loads, let's try this page to verify role. If it has been granted, it will go put through here. Yes, objective has been completed. I have that Pudgy Penguin friend role on the MetaverseHQ Discord. So now I can mint my 1000 credit bonus. So this is actually the Pudgy Penguin faction badge. So it means you participated. That's proof of participation. So with that, you don't need to worry again. So whenever the airdrop that will be coming from the HQ airdrop, you are eligible to receive the HQ airdrop at mainnet launch. I'm going to refresh this page. Let me get now. I will insert my address here, and you see, MVHQ credits will soon be redeemable for the most valuable resource in the galaxy, HQ, which is their token. So here you can see my balance. I've been credited with the bonus already. So that will be all. Thank you.